Hey, if you are wondering how you can remove that Google search bar from your Pixel 9a, then let me quickly explain. So you can only do this by downloading Launcher from Google Play Store. And there's a lot of different launchers that you can find on the Play Store for sure, but I can recommend you 4 of them. In my opinion, they works the best on that phone. So the first one that will be Smart Launcher 6, the another one that will be Niagara Launcher. Next, we can find the Microsoft Launcher, and there's also this one, All Launcher, Minimal AF Launcher, and the last one, it's not available here, but that's called the Pixel Launcher. It actually looks the same as a default launcher of Pixel 9a. And right now, as you can see on the Smart Launcher, there's actually no Google bar at all. But if you go with the Pixel Launcher, then you should actually click and hold and go to the home settings. And now just search for, you should search for dock and select search bar widget and select disabled. And right now, as you can see, we should actually get rid of it when we turn it on back. There we go. Now it's gone. But as I said before, this is the only way. As a default, without third-party apps, you actually cannot turn it off. Thanks for watching.